Hey Carlota, thank you so much, working really, really hard on your IELTS prep. Absolutely brilliant. I've written to your tutor to say how hard you're working. Really, really well done. Keep on going. It's fantastic. So thank you for sending me this homework. You've got your planning on the crime essay. We've got lots of really good planning here. This is brilliant. It really helps you think fast. Just get down some great ideas. I really like this. Why it happens, really good solutions. Absolutely, it's the law. Really, really good work on there. I think you could make a good essay out of that if you were writing that kind of essay. So you've chosen to look at this one about scientists and computers. It's interesting, isn't it? Some scientists think computers will soon become more intelligent than humans. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you've got a lot of information and no emotion. Of course, they know a lot. It's all the same. And absolutely, they can't know what to say. That's so true, isn't it? So let's have a look. So some scientists believe electronic devices will become quickly more and more intelligent. In my opinion, humans have feelings and computers have a lot of information which they can use. This is, we'll discuss these issues. Okay. Here, more intelligent. Let's just add a little bit here. Androids will quickly become more and more intelligent due to their ever-growing power and speed. So just give me something like, why is this happening? So a little tiny bit more in that section there. Okay, then your opinion. In my opinion, now remember, let's get back to actually the question. What is the question? Will they be more intelligent? This key section, will they be more intelligent? In my opinion, humans have feelings and computers have a lot of information they can use, but they may not be more intelligent or more clever. Or they may be, but it's very important in this little tiny bit here that you absolutely connect your intro to that title. So find the most important word in the intro and then connect that immediately in the title, and connect that in your intro, and then the examiner will go, okay, perfect, you're going to answer the right question. This is lovely, well done. Examples from computers? Have a look on the section. One of the revision things, we might look at that today, is adding examples. So examples from a newspaper or a report. Yeah? On the one hand, I strongly believe, now here, watch out, Carter, no opinion. You've given me your opinion here in the intro. That's lovely. Okay? In my opinion. Then save it. Okay? No opinion, no opinion. Yes opinion. So think of it like a sandwich. Your opinion can be here, your opinion can be here, but not in here. Okay, now get into the actual exciting bit. So rather than I strongly believe, okay, forget you now, okay, forget that for now. Let's kind of put you in yellow, forget you. Let's go into, yeah, on that hand, it has widely been shown that a key difference between robots and humans is that. So you need a bit of a blah 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 sentence at the beginning. Something like that. But this is quite useful. It's widely been shown that is a really nice way to start your paragraph. And computers do not have them. Okay, why? Because, yeah, they haven't been programmed, they haven't been coded, emotions are unpredictable, emotions are complex. Give me a bit more. And then, for example, and computers know what to say, a friend is sad, you can feel better, or can't tell someone can't tell what to do when someone could regrets doing something wrong. Absolutely, good point there, really good. Watch out, we shouldn't be using doesn't, and we shouldn't be using can't, because it's formal writing, so that should be in the long form to make you feel better. Absolutely, good. In other words, the computer does not know the difference between right and wrong. Very good point. Now, that's an amazing point. Expand, which means that. So what could be the problem here? What kind of danger could that lead us into? So you need to write a little bit more. It needs to be a bit longer. So stretch this. You could stretch that there. Let's put that in the kind of pink bit, or put it in orange, and you could stretch this here. It's a really, really good point. On the other hand, computers are very helpful, of course, because they have access to much information. Yeah. And they learn fast and are efficient, not needing holidays or sleep. For example, I mean, you can kind of, so these little extra bits are really important. Research, yeah, exactly. So, for example, there needs to have a verb in here. Computers can easily do some research. Okay. Painting answers and found. Bit too short. Expand this, which means that. So these little bits here, which means that, because all these little bits I'm adding in orange are really going to help you. This is nice. Absolutely. So that's the kind of example. Well done about work. Okay, good. In conclusion, now we can have you again. Cannot be erased. Yes, they'll be built or able to talk, but never in the same way as humans. What I mean, okay, watch out what I mean. Here, that's a little bit too informal for this kind of style of writing. And then that's kind of what you would say in speak, so don't have that. Will be built and be able to talk, but never in the same way, absolutely. So, computers will be built to be increasingly, let's get back to the green bit, intelligent, or be able to talk. So this is really important. So you're connecting again back to your title, but never in the same way. Possible to, exactly. It will never be, okay, good. That's a really, really nice essay. Well done. That is your best yet. Super happy with that. If you can think about these extra bits here, the orangey bits, the extra bits, just to add a bit of extra, and then just push a little bit harder on some of those arguments, that will really help you. Well done.